Hi guys, sorry if I haven't uploaded uh, a tutorial. Actually, I did, but I used the short version. So instead of instructing, but again, I'm sorry. So this one, so I'm gonna run down again with the basic, what do you call this, instructional. So this will not be too long. Again, I'm a solo, so you rather consider this not as a technique, but as a drills. Okay, so for this time, so we've been showing several combinations on double sticks. So this one, I'm gonna do a series of drills. Then I'm just gonna teach a combinations. Okay, sorry about the loudness here. Okay, so this is the drills that I want you to share to you. So this one will be called tabas. This is our tabas. Then aldabis tagpas or aldabis tabas or anything that come hand with a backhand or so originally aldabis means backhand slap. In some region, aldabis means upward strike. But in RK, I rather called it aldabis because I've seen in one of the dictionary here that aldabis backhand or backhand slap. Okay, so I'll consider it as backhand. So backhand, this one will be tabas, but in this position. So then followed by aldabis tabas, sorry, or tagpas. Then followed by tagpas. This will be here. Okay, so again, this instructional is just a drill, not a technique. I want you to practice it. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. And this will be your hint. Remember, this 3 will be considered as a strike, or in this perspective, I rather consider this as a bait. I'm baiting him. Then I will, in case he reacted, then I'm gonna enter. But if he didn't, then you were able. Sorry about my English. You were able to strike his face, then probably it's done. Okay, but in perspective of practicing, 1, 2, I bait. He reacted. Then I'm gonna execute a takip sa lagunting. Takip. This is takip. Then when you execute it with the escudo, we call it takip sa lagunting. Then followed by I will call this paikis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So you're combining this strike, so also considered as patadtad, but I train it here in the lower perspective. So you can say it's patadtad, then takip, followed by paikis. Okay? So you're combining paikis and patadtad. Again, I execute it here, patabas. Why? Because I wanted to create a reaction so I can flick this, then hit them with this one, followed by, in case he reacted, followed by this. If he reacted here, then I can punch this one so I can counterattack with the next. Okay? So this is the drills. I want you to do it in one side first, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, X. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, then X. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, then X. Okay, so do it 10 times. Again, I'm just gonna do it as short as possible. And then followed by 10 times on this side. 1, 2, 3, block, then X. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, then X. Again, 1, 2, 3, then takip sa lagunting, then X. Do it 10 times. 10 times here, slow it. Practice it first slow, then do it fast. It's up to you. But for now, try to practice it slowly. Then later on, you can combine both. So, for example, 1, 2, 3, 1, X, then 1, 2, 3, 1, X, then 1, 2, 3, 1, and then X, 1, 2, 3, 1, and X. Okay? So, practice this technique. Like I said, I want to just do a series of drills from now on instead of focusing on teaching you technique. For me, my drills is much better. Then you can train it with the partner by visually attacking you, then practice it. Okay, so this is how I want you to train it. Train it alone, on air. Train it with equipment. For example, this is a po. 1, 2, 3, then block, po, hit it. So sorry about the small room that we created. And then practice it with someone feeding you with one strike. 1, 2, 3. Then he will gonna strike again. Boom. Then followed by this. Okay, so let me do it. So go move 1. Practice it. 2. Okay, again 1, 2. If I execute this, use this. Then execute another strike, block, and then counter. Okay? Go, move. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then on this side, 1, 2, 3. Assume that you're doing it 10 times, okay? Now, let's do it both sides. Go move 1, 2, 2, good, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so train it. Make sure that you do the technique. Rather, you do the drills. Endlessly, you can add by moving forward or moving backward, or you can move on the side. Footwork base, it's all up to you. You can try to initiate by having someone to attack you aggressively, so you can backward aggressively and then go outside, rather than just staying while doing this, while staying on your spot. So I want you to learn how to apply it. Okay, again, this is tabas o patadtad done in this way. 1, 2, 3, then execute a takep, then ekes. So again, 1, 2, 3, 3, then ekes. Then on this side, 1, 2, 3, block with takip sa gunting, then ekes. Again, so tabas, tagpas, tagpas, takip, then ekes. Okay, then execute it here. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so practice it, get used to it, and master it. There's no other way. Thank you. So just in case you like this course, so again, and if you want to train with me online, so I have online courses that you can check on pagiranonline.com, or you can also check. You can also train with me in person or private with virtual. Okay, so you can see in the description the information, or you can check the courses on my website. Okay, thank you. So practice it, get used to it again, and master it. Don't just watch it. Okay, thank you. See you in the next one.